Welcome to mathematics class. Trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. Already the formula we have discussed in previous class. So let us solve some solved problems from the textbook. Prove that sine 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. First bit, sine 18. Sine 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Let A is equal to 18 degrees. Then 5A, 5 into 18, that is 90 degrees. Now 5A can be written as 2A plus 3A. 2A plus 3A, 5A is equal to 90 degrees. And 2A is equal to 90 minus 3A. Now taking sine both sides. Take sine both sides. Sine 2A is equal to sine 90 minus 3A. So sine 2A is equal to sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now expanding sine 2A as 2 sine A cos A. Cos 3A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is cos 3 theta formula. This is sine 2 theta formula. 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now dividing with cos theta. So divide both sides, all the terms with cos A. So dividing with cos A, 2 sin A cos A by cos A, 4 cos cube A by cos A minus 3 cos A by cos A. I am dividing all the terms with cos A. So cos will get cancelled. Cos and here cos square will remain. Cos cube by cos A. So 2 sin A is equal to 4 cos square A minus 3. 2 sin A. Convert the cos into sine. cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So 2 sin A, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into sin square minus 3. Two sin A, 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 4 sin square A. Now bringing all left side, this is 2 sin A minus 1 plus 4 sin square A is equal to 0. First write 4 sin square A, then plus 2 sin A minus 1. So this is in the form of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a value coefficient of sin square, b value coefficient of sin, and c value constant. So this is in the form of a quadratic expression. And we know the root x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here x, here equation is in terms of sin. So sin A is equal to minus b. So minus b value is 2. B is equal to 2. So minus b minus 2 plus or minus b square, 2 square minus 4, a value 4, c value minus 1, b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into a value is 4. Simplifying, 2 square minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16 into 1 is 16 by 8. So minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 16, 20 is 8 by 8. Minus 2 plus or minus, this is 4 into 5. Minus 2 plus or minus 4 root is 2. You can write 4 as 2 outside the root, and this is 2 root 5. Take 2 common, then this is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 8. 2 1 times, 2 4 times. So now this is equal to minus plus or minus root 5 by 4. So here two values are there. minus 1 plus root 5 minus 1 minus root 5. So this is negative value, this is positive value. Now we take only positive value, sine 18 degrees. Sine A is sine 18. We take only positive value, minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Or if you write root 5 first and next to minus 1, 5, 4. Since sine 18 degrees is in first quadrant, it is positive. Only positive value we are taking. In first quadrant, sine is positive. So we are taking only positive value. Take only positive and don't take negative value. So plus or minus, we are taking only positive value. Now, the second bit, cos 36. Cos 36 is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 4. Let A is equal to 18 degrees, then 2A is equal to 2 into 18, that is 36 degrees. So cos 36 is cos 36 is equal to cos 2A. Now cos 2A value, cos 2A formula 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 sin square A. So this is the formula. Therefore, cos 36 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 18. Sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4. Just now from the first bit, sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So sin square is square. One minus 2 a minus b whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square b plus b square minus 2ab. So root 5 square is 5 plus 1 square is 1 minus 2ab is 2 root 5. 4 square is 16. So 2 1 time 2 8. This is equal to, taking LCM 8 into 1, 8 minus 5 plus 1 is 6, minus into minus plus 2 root 5. So 8 minus 2, 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. So taking 2 common, 1 plus root 5 by 8. So 2 1 times 4. This is 1 plus root 5 by 4. So this is cos 36 value. Cos 36 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is how we find sin 18 and cos 36. Now let us take some more examples. Find sin 36 degrees and cos 18 degrees value. Solution, first one, sin 36. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta, sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Sin theta is under root 1 minus cos square theta. So already we know cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Substituting this value, 1 minus cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 square under root. So this is 1 minus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab by 4 square is 16. This is equal to 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. Now this is only by 16. 4 is only for root 5 plus 1, not for 1. Now taking LCM 16. So 1 into 16, 5 plus 1, 6, 2 root 5. 16 minus 6, 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. Therefore, sin 36 value under root 10 minus 2 root 5, so root 16 is 4. So this is sin 36 and cos 18. Second bit. Cos 18. cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta is under root 1 minus sin square theta. So is equal to 1 minus sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 under root. So 1 minus a minus b whole square 5 plus 1 minus 2ab 2 root 5 by 16. Taking LCM 16 minus 6 plus minus into minus becomes plus. So this is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So that is 10 plus 2 root 5 under root. So 16 root is 4. This is cos 18 degrees value. So this is how we find sin 18, cos 18, sin 36, cos 36. Now let us find the values of the first one, sin 22 and of, sin 22 and of, cos 22 and of, tan 22 and of, and cot 22 and of. Let a value 22 and of, then 2a becomes 2 into 22 and of, that is 45 degrees. If a is 22 and of, then 2a becomes 45 degrees. And we know that sin a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2 sin square a is equal to, so this is also there. If sin square, you need not take root. If sin a is equal to under root 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So this is the formula we use. Sin a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2, cos a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Here, sin 22 and of is equal to 1 minus cos 2a is 45 by 2 under root. 1 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So taking LCM root 2, so root 2 minus 1, so this is 1 by 2 as it is. That is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is sin 22 and of is equal to under root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, let us find second one. Cos A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2 under root. So this is the formula. Cos square 1 minus sin square is there, or cos square A, 2 cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. You can, this is from cos 2A formula. If you convert this, you will get cos A value. Cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. So from that you will get this one. This also cos 2A formula is 1 minus 2 sin square A. From that we get sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A by 2. So here cos A is 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So cos 22 and half is equal to 1 plus cos 45 by 2. 1 plus 1 by root 2 by 2. So therefore, cos 22 and half is equal to, taking LCM, root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, tan 22 and half. So tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So tan 22 and half is equal to sin 22 and half by cos 22 and half. That is sin value is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos is root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here 2 root 2 will get cancelled. So root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. If you rationalize this with root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1, rationalizing. So this is A minus B into A minus B, root 2 minus 1 square by, here A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, root 2 square is 2, minus 1 square is 1. That is root 2 minus 1 square. 2 minus 1 is 1. So root and square will get cancelled. So this is root 2 minus 1. Therefore tan 22 and half is root 2 minus 1. Similarly, cot 22 and half is equal to, cot is cos by sin or 1 by tan. Cot is 1 by tan. So that is 1 by root 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 1. If you rationalize it, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Root 2 square is 2. 1 square is 1. that is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 1, that is equal to root 2 plus 1. Therefore, cot 22 and of is equal to root 2 plus 1. Now let us find some more values. Find sin 67 and of. 67 and of. Cos 67 and of. Tan 67 and of. Cot 67 and of. Sin 67 and of. First one. So this is sin 90 minus 22 and of. 90 minus 22 and of is 67 and of. Sin 90 minus theta, sin 67 and of is equal to, sin 90 minus theta is cos 22 and of. So sin 67 and of is equal to cos 22 and of, that is, just now we have found root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Similarly, cos 67 and of is equal to cos 90 minus 22 and of. So that is equal to sin 22 and of. So therefore, cos 67 and of is equal to sin 22 and of, that is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. So tan 67 and of. This is tan 90 minus 22 and of. So this is equal to tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 67 and of is equal to cot. Cot value just now we have found root 2 plus 1. So similarly, cot 67 and of is equal to cot 90 minus 22 and of. Cot 90 minus theta is tan 22 and of. So that is root 2 minus 1. So this way, by using trigonometric multiple angles, submultiple angles, we find these values. So thank you for watching. Keep watching the videos regularly. Do subscribe this channel and press bell button to get regular notifications.